kaming mamasyal, makikain at makipiesta!
As we bring you some of the most unique festivals this side of the world, tulad ng Sandagat Festival ng Tabualan, Cebu.
Kasama rin dito ang Guling Guling Festival dito sa award-winning travel show ng bayan.